Alright, it's Saturday. It's February 21st. This video is going to be on Hood. I posted about Hood last week. I posted about Hood forever. Anyway, we're going to talk about Hood again and the setup that I see with it. I posted a couple of videos today and I might tomorrow. And they're basically trades that we've talked about in the past that are still valid for a setup. We did have one new one, Coin, that I'm looking at, but I'm probably not going to trade it. Anyway, I think the market's waiting on some type of news, so I'm trading small, being careful. I'm sticking with my setup. No guessing, no chasing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them and let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you think about Hood and any other trade ideas that you're thinking about getting into. So let's take a look. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So here's what I see with Hood. Hood had earnings. Hood had already been in a downtrend, as you can see. We ran our fib from down here up to the top, up here. So this whole leg I ran the fib on. You can see that Hood's been in trouble. It's been coming down. And we hit a bottom here. And then we had earnings and price dropped again to this bottom, which kind of gave us some resistance, or I'm sorry, support. So anyway, today's word of star is, we're talking about it here. What I'm watching for is, I want you to see if Hood can come back down to this 72 area, possibly for an entry. We have this big resistance. You can see it's touched here, it's touched here, it's touched here. So we have some resistance right here. This gap is forming the resistance. I'd really like to see price get at least above the 0.888, which is at 79.86 right here. Sorry guys, let me turn that off. And all right, there we go. And let's see it get above this fib, like I said, at 79. Get out of this resistance area and try to start filling this gap. So anyway, another entry area I've been looking at is possibly up at the 85.50 area, and that's above this gap. Let's get out of all this garbage right here, the gap and all this chopping, and let this be a bottom and see if we can continue up. Next place for some resistance is this 97-100 area, which is back here. And then we have a pivot at 107. So let's see what happens with Hood. We'll keep an eye on it this week, and I'll be back Thursday. Make sure to hit the follow button if you haven't already, and I'll review what I got into. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.